Hey traders, welcome to yet another segment of my weekly Forex Forecast, where I do come here every week to analyze the chart and share trading opportunity with you guys. If you are the type who is trying to make sense of last week's trend, or you are looking for trading opportunity for this new week, don't worry, I've got you covered. I will be simplifying the chart with you guys just to spot trading opportunity so we can take advantage of this for this week, so we can grow our trading account. So I'll be analyzing some major pairs and to share with you key setups that are upcoming for this week. To benefit from this, all you need to do is stick to the end of this video while I share this analysis with you. So let me take you guys to my screen right about now. I'm on Great Britain Pounds JPY. On Great Britain Pounds JPY, we can see we are on a strong bullish trend. And for us to take a decent trade for this week, you need to have in mind the overall trend. This is the previous high right about here. So I'll scale down to the weekly time frame just to mark out the key levels. Some key levels. Okay, this is key level right about here, and then we mark out another one, just the one we need presently. Okay, so having marked that out, let me scale down to before I scale down, I need to quickly explain this basic thing. We can see price came here to create a double bottom right about here, and as price tends to proceed, price tends to create a double top right about here. Okay, but we should have at the back of our mind that the overall trend here is what we are in a strong bullish trend, right? So let's scale down to the lower time frame while we proceed with the analysis, then we can have clear understanding of what's going on here. So on the daily time frame, we can see this is a clear picture of the double bottom that was created on the weekly time frame, and this was the proceed of it. This is another double bottom forming right about here. Okay, so on the weekly time frame it looks like a double top, but now it has more meaning on the lower time frame, which is the daily time frame. So having explained that, let me explain this simple thing to us. You see, price has formed the left leg. Okay, price is moving to the process of forming to complete the right leg. So in the process of going to complete the right leg, that is where we have this movement right about here. So we are hoping that price will continue its bullish movement. So we don't know if price might tend to turn back, but currently price is currently giving us a green light that there's high chances that it's going to proceed. So how do we take opportunity of this current move? Let me scale down to the 4-hour time frame to find trading opportunity for us. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see price is creating a sideways head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is a sideways head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is a sideways head and shoulder pattern. And for us to benefit from this, all we need to do is bring out our counter trend line to connect the neck of the head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the neck, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, having explained that basic thing, let me proceed with sharing this entry with you. So let me quickly mark out some minor level right about here. This is the overall, this is another high right about here, this is a decent high right about here, this is another level right about here as well. Okay, there's another level right about here. I will use, okay, there's another level there, so there's another level there. So for us to find a trading opportunity for us for this week, currently prices are this high. Okay, prices are this high, so we are expecting price to continue with further highs. Okay, we have this level to catch, and we have this level to catch as well. But we can't just jump in to price, because at this current level price is too expensive for us to buy. What do? We need to patiently wait for price to come give us a cheap zone, price to be cheap enough for us to buy, so we can have a good risk to reward ratio. So now all we need to do is bring out our fib retracement level from the swing low to the swing high, from the swing low to the swing high, from the swing low to the swing high. Okay, from the swing low to the swing high. So let's patiently wait for price. So let's patiently wait for price to pull back to 61.80 or 78.60. So at this particular level, a moment guys, I need to delete this. So at this particular level, somewhere around here, you should wait for price to come back to this level. Okay, you should wait for price to come back to that level. Let's patiently wait for price to come back to this level before we find a bullish entry for us to go long. Okay, so if you are the type that takes trades on 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes or 1 hour, all you just need to do is scale down to those time frames so you can find your entry there. I just have to show us this bigger picture of what we are looking at, just not to avoid being confused. Okay, I'm on the 1 hour time frame, so just patiently wait for price, just patiently wait for price to pull back. Once price pull back to somewhere anywhere around this level, just patiently wait. So if price tends to give you a double bottom, then you can patiently take your entry and then go long. That is that for Great Britain pounds JPY. Now move on to the next pair right about now. The next pair I want to analyze is Euro CHF. For Euro CHF, you can see I'm on the monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame, the overall trend is showing a bearish trend. Okay, and another thing that happened on this monthly time frame is price came back to form an equal low. Price was unable to break this previous low, and price is currently at this this low right about here. Okay, so having explained that, let me scale down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, let me quickly mark out some levels right about here. These are minor levels right about here. This is the overall low. This is another level right about here. Okay, so let me just stop at that, so I won't take much of your time. So I need to draw a counter trend line as well. Because it's on the weekly time frame. It seems price is moving upward. Reasons why I say it seems price is moving upward is because you can see the moving average pulling across. Similar thing that happened there, thanks to price trying to pull to pierce through the price rather. So let me scale down to the daily time frame, so I can explain more further, because there are some explanation I need to make on the weekly time frame which I can't probably explain, but I can easily explain it on the daily time frame. So we are currently at this level right about here, at this key level right about here. So price has approached this level. Okay. Moment please. Price is currently at this level. I will need to delete this, so just for you guys to avoid being confused what I'm trying to explain. This is another area about here. So for us to find trading opportunity, let me scale down to the 4 hour time frame. For us to find trading opportunity, okay, let me mark this low, this area about here. Okay, all we need to do is just to bring out our fib retracement. Okay, wait for price. Let's just wait for price. let's just wait for price to pull back to any of this level right about here. And the reasons why, let me delete this. The reasons why you need to exercise patience is, I need to tell us something. You need to understand that the market is a machine that takes money from the impatient and give it to the patient ones. So you need to understand these simple words in trading if you want to make money and not to lose money to the market. You need to exercise patience for things to play out on the charts. Okay, there are things you need to understand that once you see things you understand on the chart, then you can now put in your trade. There are times that are meant not to take any trade, and there are times which are meant to take trades. So that's the reason why I said you should patiently wait for price to pull back to that field retracement level. And the reasons why I suggest you should look for what is it called, a bullish entries, because as you can see, price has been creating series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, which is a bullish structure. So we should be expecting another higher low. Okay, should be expecting a bullish structure to come back to this level. Okay, so we can take our decent bullish entry. Okay, once you see price pull back to this level, all you need to do is just patiently wait for price, okay, to create a support for you here. Okay, to create a simple base. You see something like this, price did exactly the same thing somewhere around here as well. Okay, just wait. Okay, price might not tend to stay long like this. Price might just tend to give you something like this. You see how short this is? Price might tend to give you the same kind of setups here. So you need to just patiently wait for price to give you a good support. Okay, just a good support, and you can then scale down to the 1 hour time frame. Once you see price approaching this level, then you can then scale down to the 1 hour time frame to find your entry of 30 minutes or 15 minutes, depending on where you take your own entry. So that is that for my analysis for this. These are just the two pairs which I feel trading opportunity is coming on for this new week. So all you need to do to make money in this particular and these two pairs which I shared with you is patience. Let the market come to you. Don't chase the market. Okay, just let the market come to you. If the opportunity did not appear on Monday, wait till Tuesday. If Tuesday did not appear, wait till Wednesday. If Wednesday does not present, wait till Thursday. Within these 4 days, definitely price will definitely give you an entry. But the only way you can find that entry is when you are patient enough. Okay, so I want to say a big thank you to you guys for sticking this down to the end of this video. So I wish you guys a profitable week ahead, and if you are interested in joining my Telegram channel, you can find the link in the description button below. I will definitely drop updates on this particular pair on my Telegram channel, so you can benefit as well, and it can serve as a guide for you if you're convinced ready to take your entry. So having explained that, guys, I will say you have a profitable week ahead, and I will see you next week, guys. Bye for now, guys.